Not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can delay the visibility of software update for iOS supervised devices. So you may be wondering the new iOS, now Apple is keep releasing new OS versions right very frequently, so you want to test it right as a being as an admin before rolling out to your end user devices. You want to test it on your devices. So how you can delay if you have, and this is only applicable for supervised devices which is enrolled through Apple Business Manager or through the Apple configurator. Okay, so before pushing out to the users, suppose you have the update policy already created. I have already made video on how to create this update policy for iOS devices. So if you have already update policy, so you mark as a, like if the device as soon as the Apple release, it will always push the latest updates or the check-in or selected version. But you want to make sure, or you can delay that software update so that users will not get or see to update the devices to cannot see the latest OS version, so that they cannot, I mean, we can delay it, right, visibility in fact. So how you can do that? You have to go to the device sections. You have to go to the iOS, because I'm talking about iOS supervised devices only, and go to the configurations profile and create new profiles. So before that, right, before you all are already created everything, right, I'm just showing this profile. You have to create this template, and you see the templates here in the template, uh, edition, upgrade and mode switch. Okay, click that, and I'm just giving any name. You can like delay, DELA, delaying software updates for iOS devices. iOS at be specific supervised devices. If you don't know what this one supervised, you can search on, or you can watch my video. So you see here, create a profiles to force target devices to scan and install the latest iOS updates. Update will only apply to the supervised iOS devices. Okay, so if you want to learn more, just click on learn more. You will see how you can manage the software updates, right? So the supervised devices are that are enrolled through the Apple device enrollment options, or through AD, which is called previously called the Apple Business Manager. Okay, so this is how you can software updates, this is how we creating, right? So let's go to the day, like select the time to prevent update remediation installation, prevent update installation. So you want to prevent, right? So I want to prevent on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now let's not do Friday, Monday to Thursday. Okay, time zone, you want to select UTC anytime 5:30. I am selecting. You want to select time 12 a.m. or anything. I am selecting 9 a.m. It depends on your requirement, whatever you want to do, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Click on next, and then you apply to the groups or all devices, whatever you want to do. Because it's a supervised devices, so better to select create a one supervised groups. I already made a video on how to create for the supervised devices dynamic group from the Azure ready. Suppose I am selecting all devices and I will apply. So you see delaying software updates, so this will delay. This is just a how you can delay the visibility of software updates. It will come, just wait for few seconds. We have just created it. Let me refresh the page. Now profile form, where is it? Where it has gone? Okay, so you see here it come under delaying software updates. So the Microsoft has given the option you can create from this configuration profile or directly from here as well. So if you do the same thing, you see here we have created a update outside the active hours. legacy. This is legacy. Now if you, they have given a new option, so you can also create from here, like software update policy. You can give any name as per your convenience. You see the latest update, select the version to install, and these settings are determined when how and when software update. This profile doesn't prevent user from updating the OS manually, right? So if you create this policy, it will not prevent users to update, which can be prevented for up to 90 days with the device configuration restrictions policy. So if you want to prevent for 90 days, you have to apply the device restrictions policy, and update will only apply. So I am selecting 16.6 or latest update. So whenever they release 16.6, right, since you have selected the earlier version, make sure you apply the device restrictions policy that defer the visibility of software update, so that devices can't update to the latest version. So I made that, right, the defer. I will show you. You can see the schedule type, update during schedule time, update outside the schedule time, right? I'll say update outside the schedule time. Whatever you want to do, you can. When this update will occur, additional input is required. Okay, you want to select the time zone, 5:30, time window, day, when you want to do, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever you want to do, you can do it. I'm not selecting, I'm selecting updated next second. Okay, and you want to apply to all devices, create it. So you see, if you just refresh it, you see delaying software update outside the active hours, updated next second. So this is how you can delay, and even if it's updated. Okay, you can also create some more policy here under the configurations based on your requirement. I hope you learn how you can delay the software updates for your iOS supervised devices. Okay, till then, thank you, have a good day.